Go. Hello guys, this is PinayDK
plus 1.
Ngayon, na-miss nyo si plus 1.
Mom, you can please speak English. I don't come from Philippines.
Ah, okay. You want me to speak English? Okay. Naku, ang hirap.
I don't even know what that means.
Okay, so you miss plus 1. Do you miss plus 1? Now he is with us. We are going to unbox a virtual reality.
Hey, Mom, I don't have it. Let's use. I'm gonna use dun 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 dun. Boom.
We're going to unbox the VR Cinecon. Wait, I'm going to show them.
Mommy.
The VR Cinecon virtual reality glasses. So, we're going to try this. Okay. It's his video. Sabi niya kanyang video daw to. O, sige. Okay, unbox it.
It's kind of hard actually, but I can do it.
You can do it?
Let's unbox it. What is here? Oh, some paper notes. Oh, bubble wrap.
A bubble wrap?
Bubble wrap. Maybe the new model bubble wrap. See goggles. Nah, that's
not goggles. It's glasses.
My dream come true.
Yeah.
Oh,
your dream come true?
No, it's not that. Oh, what's this? Mom, what's this?
This is to clean. This is to clean the glasses, the hair. But anyway, this is a...
Mom, I can play with the bubble wrap?
Yes.
Look at my bubble wrap in the tree.
What is this?
I don't know. Look at these instructions.
The instruction. You sure?
Yes.
This is a headset actually that can connect to these glasses. So here...
How you know that?
Because I saw it in the video. So here, ito-connect siya dito. Parang ayaw. Hala? So, alam ko na yung connect to dito eh. Ayan. So, ayan. Ayan na connect ko. Ayan. So, ito yung para sa ano, no? Sa, ano to? So, ito yung headset.
Mommy, I told you to say English.
Yes, Sandra, but wait.
Speak English.
Speak English. Okay, this is the headset. And this is the, here you can see the, what is this?
I don't know.
It's like a volume or something?
Look at the instructions. Look.
I think we need to charge it too, huh?
Mommy,
So,
look at
ito,
the instructions. Look,
Yes,
Mama,
yes.
look. Look.
Yeah? Okay, now, we need to connect it to the apps. So, ito yung laman niya ng virtual, ano.
Mom, not even
Yan.
that smart. I
Ilalagay
found
yung-
the instruction board right here.
Ilalagay yung cellphone dito.
Modern.
Ayan. Tapos, ano, i-connect yung cellphone dito. Ayan. Okay. Da-download ka ng apps na maiko-connect dito. So, ito, i-try natin ha kay Sander. So, magda-download kami ng apps ngayon. What is this movie inside here? We need to know.
It's
what
a
movie.
roller coaster.
Okay, tell them.
Me put the mobile inside and I know what movie is already.
What is already...
Look. Scary. Look.
It's a roller coaster.
Yes.
Wait,
In my hand.
Alexander, but you need to watch properly, okay?
Mama, hold my...
I will hold you. Okay.
What is this?
It's working or what? You need to sit down. Sit down.
Where's the camera?
Sit down. Sit down.
Okay.
Is it starting or what?
Yes. Wow! This is a nice roller coaster.
Don't move so much. I will hold you.
Wow.
So this is, guys, the virtual reality. It's like you are in the roller coaster. So don't hold it.
I cannot see.
You need to look there. Yeah.
Where? I cannot see anything.
Can you see roller coaster?
The roller coaster is there, not here.
It's here. Where is the roller coaster?
Here.
Is there? Okay.
Whoa! Ah!
It's very fast.
I want to. It's my turn, Mama. I was my turn.
Ah! Down. Okay. Try the dinosaur. Set namin yung VR movie ng dinosaur. Kasi hindi si Sander takot sa roller coaster. Ayan.
Wow, Mom, there's not. I can see like a tree.
Is it tree?
Oh, it's glowing here.
Where?
Wow, there's like a movie or what?
What is
Oh,
it?
I have to press something.
Really?
I think.
Yeah?
Oh, I think I hear a dinosaur here.
Here? Where's the dinosaur? Where is the dinosaur?
I can hear a bird.
Where's the dinosaur?
I don't hear it anymore.
No?
I can see dark here,
Yeah?
and I can see light here.
Yes?
Mommy, you try to look here. Okay, there's like something like what we can press. I told you it's scary. You cannot handle it scary. It's very scary, the movies, but I decided to stop because it's so scary.
Really? You scared?
Yes, I was scared of the zombie one.
There's a zombie movie that we tried and it's a little scary.
Yes, it's so scary.
So Alexander doesn't want to watch it. So we're going to try another movie like a dinosaur movie or roller coaster, more roller coaster and other things. So that is a little fun for us while we cannot go to other places. So because it's raining here and also winter is coming, so we need to make a way or to buy something that we can do here at home. So this is our video for today. Thank you for watching and please
Remember, subscribe to my channel.
what is your channel?
Bye. Alexander Itchy. Bye.
No, Itchy Sander.
Itchy Sander. Bye.
Bye.